Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your game card on RuneScape. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in runescape.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official RuneScape website, from which you can first of all click on the login button at the top right corner to log into your account. Now once you're in the login portal, just type in your email address and click on the continue button, or use your Google, Apple, Steam or Facebook account to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, go ahead and click on the shop menu and then you will find the redeem code option. Click on redeem code and you will be allowed to enter your game code for the RuneScape game. Just type in your redeem code and click on the redeem button and your code will immediately be redeemed and applied for the RuneScape game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your game code on RuneScape. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.